have the same rule like our last week. At the end of our thematic lesson, what will we have?
A quiz.
A quiz, okay? And well, if your group
You have to wait.
and if your group can answer the most, the group answer the most question, can choose the playground.
Okay, like only playground.
Yes, only playground, okay?
Sticker?
Sticker, what do you think about sticker?
Yeah.
Okay, but for now,
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. But for now, you will only get one sticker, okay? Not one set of sticker like our last meeting, but you have to get one sticker, okay? I have shown you, right? I have shown you the our new stickers, so we have more stickers. Okay, so let's do a quick review about our solar system.
It's a Pluto.
Okay. So this 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9.
I don't count this one as planet. So we have 8 planets in our solar system, right? How many planets do we have? 8. Pluto used to be wait, I need some
Out of space. Out of. What are you taking?
Okay, this one is Pluto. I will put it here. Yeah, it looks like moon. Oh, you can't
The
see
small
it?
is like.
Where should I put it?
This
If I put it here, can you see it? Okay.
I cannot say it.
You can't?
At the middle.
I cannot put it in the middle. Okay. Can you see it now? Pluto was considered as a planet. But then Pluto is kicked out as a planet. What makes
If
Pluto?
the sun fired him.
What makes Pluto was being kicked out from our solar system as a planet?
It's
What do
so
you
small.
It's so small, okay. And then what else?
It's a dwarf planet.
Yeah, what makes Pluto considered as a dwarf planet? What makes it? Yes?
Because the sun fired him.
Okay.
See, even the eraser get fired.
Okay, so we will discuss the difference between planet and dwarf planet first. Okay. So what? Okay. Let's discuss about planets first.
We already.
No, I mean, yeah, we have discussed about these planets, but then I want to ask you several questions. What about the orbit of these planets? Do you still remember orbit? What is orbit?
Orbiting the
Repeat?
sun. Orbiting the sun.
Yeah, okay. So what is orbit?
Orbit means spinning around.
That's rotate.
Oh.
That's
It's
rotation.
going around the sun.
Okay, orbit is a fixed line of a planet when orbiting the sun. Okay, when move around the sun, that's orbit. Do they have orbit?
Yes. Yes.
Do they have orbit?
On the planet.
What do you think is the what shape do they make? Do you think? When the planet move around the sun, what do you think the shape is made? Is it circular? Circle? Circle. Does it make? Do they make circle line?
Yes.
Or square line?
Circle.
Or oval line?
Circle. Circle.
No, the planet. Come on, focus. Yes, it makes circular orbit. Okay.
How about dwarf planet? Yeah.
What else do we know about planet? What do you think about the atmosphere?
It's different with Earth and
We discussed about the planet first. What do you think about the atmosphere? What is one important function of atmosphere?
if there's a meteor, it can get hit.
Good job. So, atmosphere
Is
will destroy asteroid. Am I correct?
yes.
So, Earth atmosphere will protect the Earth from the atmosphere, right? So, if there, planet has gravity, right? Each planet has gravity, and the atmosphere protect the planet from the atmosphere, right? So, can you imagine if asteroid bumped Earth? What will happen?
People will die.
So many people will die, and then it will create a huge valley. Okay? Do you know Danau Toba?
And of the
Have you ever heard about Danau Toba?
and of
Toba
the
Lake? Okay. It can be as big as Toba Lake. Okay, huge. But then so many living creatures will die. Ruby, focus. Okay, so atmosphere will destroy asteroid.
so if the Earth crashed to another planet, it will not crash. Earth
Not crash.
and then
Why, Alpha?
it have its own way, not
Good job.
everywhere. Why not Earth goes to Neptune and then go back to its place?
Thank you for your explanation. Each planet has their own orbit, has their own way to go around the sun. Right? So orbiting the sun, they have their own way. They have their own orbit. So they will not bump to each other. But then the atmosphere of the planet, of each planet, protect the planet from asteroid. But if the asteroid go into the planet, what will happen? Will the asteroid at the land? For example, if the asteroid is what is it? Crack and then what is it? Crash. Okay, boom. It will fall into pieces.
And then the Earth
Will it become earth ground? Will it become sand to the earth?
yes.
Yes. It will become sand or ashes
Or rock.
or rock, and it is live on earth. Okay.
Wait, so those rocks are made from asteroid?
Could be. It could be like that. So that's why rocks on the earth has so many types, right? Does it make sense for you? Does it make sense for you?
Okay. What
Okay.
if there's
So
asteroid and then the atmosphere cannot hold it? They can fall to Earth.
yeah, uh, in America, if I'm not mistaken, has a huge valley that is formed from asteroid that goes inside the earth. Because the asteroid is was so big, the atmosphere cannot destroy the asteroid.
Because it's so big.
Yes, because it is too big,
And then
it hits. It hits earth, earth ground, and then it formed a huge valley, a huge valley.
Thanks good it's not
Very
in our
huge.
school.
Yeah, yeah. Thank God it's
Or
not
not
in our
the
school.
vitamin.
Okay. So, what about dwarf planets? What makes dwarf planet different from planets? Thank you, Ruby, for listening. Yes, Maxi?
If Pluto,
Mm-hmm.
Pluto don't circle, but it goes oval.
Good job. It has different.
So Pluto kicked out because later it will broke another planet. It will crash another
Good
planet.
job, Pluto. When Pluto orbiting the sun,
Well,
it grows oval.
see.
It has oval.
And the sun is made. And the sun.
Oval. Yes, not circular.
That looks like
Okay.
a boat.
If other planet has,
Circle, not
yes.
oval.
For example, Neptune. Here. Neptune.
Last time Pluto is
It
a
has
planet.
circle orbit, but then Pluto has oval orbit.
So the sun is
Okay.
mad.
The sun is what?
Mad at Pluto and then get kicked out.
Pluto, get out of my orbit. You're not welcome anymore. Like that?
Yeah.
Of course no, honey. Did you watch our video yesterday?
Nope. No. No.
You did? You did? No? Who watched the video yesterday?
Not me.
So what do you think about Pluto? What makes Pluto was kicked out from our solar system? As a planet, I mean. Once again, louder please. Will, I don't get it. Will, the last sentence. Will keep the planet. Oh, okay. Thank you. So,
I think because asteroids, the sun asks the asteroids to kick Pluto.
it's not about the sun. It's about a group of people that make a new definition about planet and dwarf planet. Okay. So next, in planet, atmosphere will destroy asteroid. If the asteroid is too big, is huge, and then the atmosphere cannot hold that, and then
And then the atmosphere is gonna be.
the asteroid will bump to the planet, right? But then the asteroid who crash will stay in the planet and then become rocks, become sands or ashes, right? But then in dwarf planet, it moves like this. Oh yeah. I will use
Because
this
the
magnet.
sun kicked out Pluto, the sun and Mercury.
Okay.
Sun and Mercury.
Okay.
Means
For
all
example.
planets have. Means all planets have. What's name? The shooter like.
The what? Shooter? Shooter?
No.
What is it? Okay, for example. I need you to hold this.
Saturn is broken. Oh.
Okay, I need you to hold the magnet like this and try to make them close. What do you feel?
Me. Oh.
Make it like this.
I can feel it. It's like.
You can feel it?
It's like.
Okay, so you have to make this magnet close.
I
To each
can.
other. What do you feel?
It feels like it will not go together.
Okay, give to your friends. Come on. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Okay.
I know.
Can they stick together? No. Okay. Give to Titus.
Crashing, see?
Okay. Give to Yenner. Pass it to
It's
Yenner.
heavy.
Okay, pass the magnets to your friend.
Yana says she don't want it.
Pass to Yenner, please. Come on.
She don't want it.
Come on. She has to feel it. Because I want to explain it from this little experiment. Alpha, give to Yenner, please. You have to feel it. Okay.
I feel it!
Okay, thank you. Give me the magnet. Ruby, do you feel it? Okay.
It's like picking it up.
Can you make them stick together?
No. I know. Yes, I can. Yeah, just a little bit.
If you make your magnet like this, it is hard for you to make them stick together.
No.
That is what happened with the Earth atmosphere. For example, Earth is the blue planet, right? Okay. So I will take this as Earth, and then the red magnet here as asteroid. When the asteroid wants to get closer to the Earth, the atmosphere of the Earth will hold the asteroid from crashing the Earth.
Shield.
Yes, it protects the Earth like a shield. Okay.
But if it's all like whoosh.
But if it is too big, the asteroid is too big, then it will crash the Earth.
And then the Earth is real.
But then it is different from the dwarf planet. Different. What happened to the dwarf planet? Dwarf planet will stick. The asteroid will stick together. On the way to orbit the sun.
It's like a map.
And then the asteroid or meteorite will go together with the dwarf planet. That's what makes dwarf planet different from planet. Does it make sense for you? Does it make sense for you?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's move. Where are the dwarf planet? Do you think it is only one dwarf planet?
No, there's 4 more planets.
4 more planets? Okay.
I think the name is
Okay. Make. Okay,
And
what else?
One dwarf planet is so funny.
What is it?
Make.
Not make. It is pronounced as make. It is taken from
Hawaiian.
I think it is Hawaiian language.
Hawaiian language.
Hawaiian language. So yeah, it is make-make. Here is Venus. This one is Venus.
I only know Pluto and Ceres.
And Ceres.
Yeah.
Okay. What about
Mama,
Venus?
Aries.
Okay. What else do you know?
Itu what is apa ya? It's like ERAI.
So we have more than one dwarf planet, right? But
There are 4 more planets.
let's discuss Pluto for today. Where is Pluto located? Where is Pluto located? Do you still remember? Yes, Maxi?
Behind Neptune.
Behind Neptune or after Neptune?
After Neptune.
After Neptune. So, I will take Neptune. This one is Neptune, right?
And now Neptune get kicked out.
There is no
For
one that
example,
kicked
this
out.
is Neptune. Okay? And then Pluto is here.
So now is Pluto orbiting the sun.
Don't mind the size of it on here, okay? On our classroom, it is only a picture. Okay. So, do you know that after Neptune, it has like this?
A shield?
Well, actually, it is formed from rocks, ice, ashes, like this. And one of the rock here is Pluto. So, let's make it like this. Have you ever seen like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Pluto is, for example, Pluto is here. Pluto is
like an asteroid.
located after Neptune. Okay, for 2 stickers. You can get 2 stickers if you can answer my question. What is this name? It's like a bell, right?
I think all
Okay.
rocks,
Alpha first.
it's for like a sign.
Yeah, I mean the name of this bell.
Oh my god.
Okay. In
It's a
astronomy, we call that belt, but it has blah 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 belt. I know.
Yeah lah.
You can have 2 stickers if you can answer this. Titus? Atmosphere? No. Ruby?
Space belt?
No. Okay, it consists of 1, 2.
Hey, we're playing Hangman.
No, we're not playing hangman. It has 6 letters. Okay, it has 6 letters, and I will give you a clue. It started with K. Okay? If you can answer this, then you can have 2 stickers. I will move, and then you have to think about it. I will go back to this question again. Okay. This belt has so many asteroids, okay, meteor.
And why asteroid can
it-
fall to the earth?
Once again,
Why asteroid can fall in to the
why
earth?
asteroid can fall to the earth?
Yeah.
From Neptune to the earth, you mean?
Yeah.
Well, honey, asteroid moves by the planet's gravity. It can move from this and then to the Mercury. Why do you think Earth has land and water?
Because of the slim asteroid.
Because there are places which has higher and then lower, right? What do you think for the lower?
Water.
It could be asteroid hits the Earth. Why do you think the Mercury surface like this?
Because it hit a lot of asteroids.
Okay, that is consists of ice, rocks, asteroids, like that. Okay? You have to pay attention if you want to answer this. Okay? Next. Okay, is there any question until this Kuiper belt?
How strong is it?
Yes, Maxi? What do you want to do? Answering the question or do you have any question? Answering the question? Okay, I will be back later. If you pay attention to me, I have said the answer 2 times. Am I correct, Miss Maya? Then you have to be focused. Okay, let's discuss about Pluto. Okay.
I don't like hear it.
The belt here consists of so many, okay, so many rocks, and then it has dwarf planets in it also. Okay, let's move to Pluto. How big is Pluto?
Miss Pluto is smaller than Moon.
Wait.
Oh! Even the child get kicked out.
That's okay.
Okay, how big is Pluto?
I think it's small.
How big is Pluto?
It's like Moon, I think. It's like this small. This
For
small,
sure.
and then Earth this small.
Pluto is smaller than?
Mercury.
Yes, smaller than Mercury.
So when are we gonna learn about the eclipse? Eclipse.
Oh, okay. So, Pluto is smaller than Mercury. What about the atmosphere here? What do you think? The temperature?
I think it's very cold.
Why, James? Why do you think it is very cold?
It's farther than the Neptune.
Okay.
It's not colder.
It has cold temperature. The temperature here will be
Heat.
minus
1 million?
Wait.
Number.
I have to see my notes.
200.
Celsius.
T3.
Minus 233 degrees.
I think it's more.
Can you imagine how cold it is in Pluto?
I don't see
No.
that. I
Okay.
don't see this that cold.
If you want to make ice cube, then you only need 0 degrees Celsius, or maybe until minus 5. It is cold, but then colder.
Oh.
Then,
If
you
we
want to
throw rocks in there, it's gonna be mixed. It's gonna be
and then, what will happen when Pluto reach its coldest temperature?
I think it's not.
Maxi, what do you think will happen to the atmosphere?
It will freeze. The
It will
atmosphere
freeze?
freeze.
Okay, the atmosphere will freeze. And then, what makes it, maybe it is funny for us because the atmosphere will fall to the ground.
The
The
giant.
atmosphere is frozen, right? And then it falls to the ground.
I want to see the atmosphere.
Because it is so cold and then the
The
atmosphere is
atmosphere. What color?
frozen. Well, the color of the Pluto, I searched for some pictures, but then it's like this. Or gray. I think it is because the Pluto is so far from the Earth. Right? Okay. So this is temperature. And then what about the moon? Does Pluto have moon?
Yeah, Earth has moon.
Does Pluto have moon?
No.
Yes.
Because it's not small. No.
It have.
No.
It have.
No.
Moon is an object that orbiting a planet. Does Earth have moon?
Yes.
Yes. But Earth only has one moon. Earth only has one moon, right? But then Pluto has 5 moons.
Huh? The moon will freeze.
The moon will freeze. Well, the moon has its own ground, right? Am I right? Okay, it has 5 moons, and then the biggest moon named
Titan.
not Titan. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I pronounce it as Charon. Okay, this is the biggest moon of Pluto.
Sherlock Holmes.
And then, what about the year?
Oh,
1 year in Pluto.
No.
1 Pluto year.
I think it's 1 trillion.
It is 248 Earth year.
What? It's more longer than Neptune.
Yes. Yes, it is much longer than Neptune.
Oh my God.
Okay, why is 1 year, 1 Pluto year equals 248 Earth years? What makes it so long?
So far from the sun.
Yes, it's so far
And then
away from the sun. Okay. And what about 1 Pluto day?
I think it's
1 Pluto day?
What year in Earth?
Well, it is not that fast, but it is quite long, but not. But Saturn is the longest. Is the longest? Oh no. I don't think so. Saturn moves so fast, rotates so fast. So 1 Pluto day equals 6.4 days in Earth. So when we count from yesterday, from Monday, then 1 day in Pluto will be on Saturday.
Oh.
From Monday to Saturday, it is only 1 day in Pluto. So, right? So slow. Okay, is there any question? Or do you want to discuss something? No? So what is the belt here? Okay. Silas, do you want to answer the question? Louder. James. Stop it. Louder, please, honey. Huh? Can you open? Louder, please. I will not bite you. Come back, Belle. Come back. Okay, no, it's not come back. Okay. We will stop our discussion about Pluto for today. So we will move to another activity. What is the answer? Oh,